guys, thank you for coming back to my channel once again. I lost some of the footage of this from the beginning, so I'm just gonna kind of tell you what I did. This technique on the canvas is called hydro dipping, and you use a bucket and you spray paint your paint on top of the water, and you dip the canvas boards down in there, and then you let them dry. This is a piece of plexiglass sheet that is thinner than glass because the glass wouldn't fit in this front loading frame. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting on this video. Thank you so much. Okay guys, this would be my first hydro dipping for artwork and glass work. Okay guys, here's the finished look. I am letting them dry. The next step is to cover the frame piece with wallpaper, and I did this on a previous video if you're not sure how to do it. Now I guess the beauty of sometimes not doing your DIY the same day is that I was out yesterday and I was at a dollar store and found these beautiful placemats. They only had 3 of these placemats, so I was planning on going back and trying to find the 4th one. She said they usually come in within about a month. But as I was doing this project, I realized this would look good on top of that. And because I did something with this same wallpaper, it gives it a different look. So the only thing I need to do is trim it out, and you may not be able to see that, but I kind of went along it with the ink pen so I know where I'm supposed to cut it. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Okay, now let's see if that fits down in there. Okay, that fits pretty good in there. Now let's see if my glass will be able to fit on top, because this is a top loading frame. The whole project that I'm doing, I had to put some items on top of the glass because the glass wouldn't fit. So let me see if it'll fit with that in there. Well, I am not liking these front loading frames because the frame section is so close, you can't put something else in there like if I had a back loading frame. So because this is glass and I do have plexiglass, which is a little thinner, I am going to wait until I get the plexiglass and put it in here. I am back in Las Vegas finally. I was saying that I was in Las Vegas on previous videos for the nosy folks, and they know who I'm talking about. I didn't want them to know where I was, but I was actually in Houston. So as soon as I go through my belongings and find the plexiglass, I'll put the plexiglass on here instead of using glass, because the plexiglass is thinner. It should fit just fine. So okay guys, I have the plexiglass that I'm attempting to put in this frame. It's still a little hard, but we're gonna try our best to get this in here. Okay, I finally got the pictures on. The frame still gave me a little problem, but I'll deal with that a little later after I move and get ready to display this on the wall. But for now, I'm going to show you how it looks on the wall. And to hang it on the wall, I'm using some of these double-sided strips, similar to command strips, except they don't have the second piece to it. But they work pretty well, and I got a big package compared to what you get in the command strips, and these were a lot less expensive. It was 72 pieces in here, and I'll make sure that I put it in the description box. I got them from Amazon. And here is how it looks on the wall. I think these are so beautiful. I got this idea from Lisa Birmingham channel. Thank you so much, Lisa. I told you I absolutely fell in love when you did yours. And here is my version. And if you missed last week's video, I will make sure that I link it with this, because this matches the candle holders. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers and to my old subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. Keep coming back every week and looking to see what I created, because I love doing DIYs. You all have a blessed day.